Hi Jay, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. We talked about a couple different GLE options, and the one that I mentioned is this 2022 GLE 350. Now I know a trailer hitch is an important component for you in the vehicle. This Mojave Silver GLE 350 does have that option. This is an AMG line, so sport styling, beautiful chrome work in the front bumper, the diamond studded grille. A really well optioned vehicle. Driver's assistance package, you can see from that front star. A lot of other packages included in this model. AMG line gives us a beautiful bumper. Side fender flares also painted to match that Mojave silver metallic. 21-inch multi-spoke wheels, illuminated running boards. Got chrome along the window frame, door handles, and our silver roof rails. It's a beautiful car, and then around the back of the vehicle we get these nice flared wheel arches, wraparound LED taillights, GLE 350 and 4MATIC badging, chrome load sill guard, dual tipped exhaust, and that factory trailer hitch. It's a beautiful car, a very nice macchiato beige and flowing lines interior. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the GLE, we can take a closer look at the interior. Macchiato beige, black upper dash. We've got the flowing lines wood trim across the dashboard and door panel, as well as the matching brown wood gloss steering wheel. We've got heated seats, ventilated seats, upgraded Burmeister surround sound system. We've got a heated steering wheel, beautiful wood and leather combination, driver's assistance package, adaptive cruise control, lane and steering assist. We've got a beautiful panoramic roof, so two big pieces of glass to really open up the cabin. A lot of other options I'm happy to discuss with you, but wanted to put together a quick little visual representation of the vehicle we have here and the options. So if you have any questions, 207-210-4796 is my cell phone. You can call or text me anytime. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.